Today I'm gonna show you how to download and install Google Chrome on your Windows operating system. Now the process is same for all version of Windows operating system. Now I'm demonstrating it on Windows 10, but you can follow the same process on any other version of Windows. Now in Windows 10 and Windows 11, Microsoft Edge browser comes pre-installed. But even if you are using some earlier version of Windows, you can use Internet Explorer and follow the same process. So type in the search box Edge, hit enter, and here in the search box type download Google Chrome and click on the first link. Now here you can see that Google has automatically detected that my system has either Windows 10 or Windows 11. It has also detected that my Windows is of 64-bit. So don't worry if you are using 32-bit version of Windows, Google will automatically detect it and install the correct version on your system. You might have also noticed that Windows 7 or 8 is not mentioned here. This is because in those version of Windows, latest version of Google Chrome is not compatible. So in those version of Windows, some old version of Google Chrome will be installed. Now below this, you might have also noticed that there is a checkbox that says that help make Google Chrome better by automatically sending usage statistics and crash reports to Google. Now if you want, you may leave this checkbox checked if you want to help make Google Chrome better. Now you might want to uncheck this checkbox if you are concerned about your privacy, although privacy is a myth in the era of internet. And also if you are using some limited data connection, because it will eat your bandwidth in the background. So if you are not on Wi-Fi, you must uncheck this checkbox. Now click on this blue button that says download Chrome and you can see that Chrome setup has been downloaded. Now to run the setup, click open file. Click yes and it has begun downloading Google Chrome. And if you want to locate this Chrome setup, you can click on this folder icon and you can see that it has been downloaded in the downloads folder. You can also run the setup by double clicking on this Chrome setup. In 46 seconds, Google Chrome will be downloaded and installed on my system. So as you can see that Google Chrome has been installed and launched. So click on get started. Now here you can pick a background for your Google Chrome. So I will click landscape and you can see that this wallpaper has been set as background for my Google Chrome browser. Now scroll down and click next. Now here it is asking whether you want to set Google Chrome as your default browser. So click set as default and here by default Microsoft Edge is your default browser. Click on it and click on Google Chrome and click switch anyway. So now Google Chrome has been set as your default browser. Close the window and here it is asking whether you want to sign in Google Chrome. So for now I will click no thanks. Click more and click got it. So now Google Chrome has been set up. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next video.